This video we will see the product review of OnePlus 13s smartphone. The OnePlus 13s is a compact and powerful smartphone. It is launched in June 2025. This smartphone is designed for people who want a flagship level experience. And this smartphone is easy to hold and you can use with one hand. This smartphone comes with 6.32-inch LTPO OLED screen with 1.5K resolution and 120 Hz refresh rate. The display is very smooth and bright, and it is great for watching videos or using outdoors. This smartphone is powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor and 12 GB RAM. This smartphone handles apps and games very fast and smoothly. This smartphone comes with 256 GB or 512 GB of storage, which is very fast and enough to store lot of photos, videos and apps. There is no SD card slot, so storage cannot be expanded. This smartphone comes with 50 MB main camera and 50 MB telephoto camera for zoom. This smartphone has 32 MB selfie camera for clear video calls and selfies. This smartphone comes with 5850 mAh battery that lasts more than a day. The phone also supports 80-watt fast charging, so it charges very quickly. This smartphone runs on Oxygen OS 15 based on Android 15. This smartphone has a clear interface and it supports 4 years of Android updates. This smartphone has stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos and high resolution audio for clear and rich sound. This smartphone does not have 3.5 mm headphone jack. This smartphone supports 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, dual SIM, GPS, USB-C and NFC, and no infrared sensor. This smartphone is lightweight, about 185 grams, and it is thin, 8.2 mm. This smartphone has IP65 rating for dust and water splash resistance. This smartphone comes with AI voice scribe, AI translation, AI search, and more. And this smartphone supports Google Gemini AI and Circle to search. This smartphone has a plus key, which is a customizable side button, which you can use for quick actions like opening apps or changing sound settings. This smartphone has a good cooling system to avoid overheating. Now we will see pros of this smartphone. This smartphone is compact and lightweight design, easy to use with one hand. This smartphone has a very smooth display with great brightness. This smartphone has a powerful performance for all tasks. This smartphone has excellent battery life and fast charging. This smartphone has clean and easy to use software. This smartphone has useful and smart AI features. This smartphone has a high quality main camera. Now we will see cons of this smartphone. This smartphone does not have ultra wide camera, which is useful for wide photos. This smartphone does not have wireless charging. The telephoto camera of this smartphone has limited zoom options. This smartphone does not have expandable storage, no micro SD card. Some other flagship phones may have brighter screens compared to this smartphone. This smartphone does not have full water resistance, only IP65. What are the customers' positive feedbacks? Many users like the perfect size and comfortable feel. Performance wise, this smartphone is very fast and smooth performance. The battery of this smartphone easily lasts a full day. This smartphone has great camera quality for a daily use. AI features are useful and easy to use. Software is clean with no bloatware. In India, the price of this smartphone ranges from 54,999 rupees to 59,999 rupees based on RAM and storage capacity. In US, the price of this smartphone ranges from $649 to $720 based on RAM and storage capacity.